Hello everyone. Welcome back to Spoken Fluency. So, are you ready to master or learn English language in just 50 days? Is it really possible? Well, let me tell you, with some great consistent effort and perseverant determination and with the right approach, this is really going to be helping you to learn or master English language skills like listening, speaking, reading, writing quickly. Okay, so in 50 days, you will definitely be able to learn to some extent and you will master it. So in this video, I will share with you a step-by-step 50-day plan that will help you to improve your English skills. Okay, so follow these steps, be consistent, perseverant, and see amazing results. So let's dive in. Okay, let me tell you, this plan has been divided into four main sections: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Each day we will focus on activities that help you improve one or more of these skills. So by the end of these 50 days, you will feel fluent, more confident in your English skills. Okay then, let's get started with 10 days. Days 1 to 10. Build the English foundation. These first 10 days are all about creating the strong English foundation. Each day, we will focus on listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Let's talk about listening. You just have to listen to English for about 15 minutes a day. Okay, you can listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, videos on YouTube of your favorite topic that you enjoy. You need to focus on understanding the main ideas. Do not go deep into the grammatical things. You just have to focus on main ideas. Second, speaking. You have to speak for about 10 minutes a day. 10 minutes a day, okay? On those topics that you enjoy or the very basic English you have to practice. Learn the common phrases, sentences, words that we use in our daily life conversation, okay? You have to speak on those things. And you have to speak loudly even if it's just to yourself. But you have to speak. Reading. You have to read for about 15 minutes a day. You can read simple stories, articles, children's books. Okay, these type of reading at the basic level you have to do because you have started. And focus on understanding the words, sentences, phrases in context. Okay, try to understand the word, order, grammatical patterns, word formation. Okay, everything you have to understand while you read. Writing for about 10 minutes each day. Okay, you can write about your daily life activities, scenarios, the things you do. Okay, so maintain or write a diary entry every day. For example, I went to the market and I bought some fruits, ate them, came back home. In this way, whatever you do, you have to write for about 10 minutes each day. Now, days 11 to 30, expand your knowledge. Here we will focus on building or expanding our vocabulary or more complex structures, patterns or skills. We will focus on same things, listening, speaking, reading, writing, but in a different manner, more deeply. So starting with listening. Listening, 20 minutes a day now. Watch short movie clips or TV shows with subtitle. Try to listen to them very carefully. Repeat after them just like a child many times unless you understand the idea. You have to repeat them. Listen to them, observe it, and repeat them many times. Listening. This is what you have to do here. Speaking. 15 minutes a day. You just need to practice speaking on the topic you enjoy, like your hobbies, daily activities, or like your work related things. You have to speak on those things. Use shadowing technique. Listen to the sentences from the video. Try to repeat as they say in the same tone immediately. Keep doing them. Okay, keep doing that many times unless you feel that you have captured in your brain. Now, reading for about 20 minutes a day. Read something more difficult now, like news articles or blog posts. Or look up for the unfamiliar words, sentences, phrases and note them down in a notebook. Writing for about 15 minutes now. You have to write short essays or letters on your favorite topic like traveling, your work related topics, favorite book, favorite movie, favorite weather, anything. You have to write. Finally, days 31 to 50. Mastery and practice. These final 20 days are for fine tuning and real life practice. So, we will do again listening, speaking, reading, writing, but we will increase the timing and it will be for mastery. Okay? And let's get started with listening. 25 minutes a day. You have to listen to the native English speakers and you have to summarize the same thing you have heard in your own words. Try to do that. Speaking for 20 minutes a day now. You have to join English online groups and just try to find a language speaking partner who wish to practice with you and try to speak with them. Okay? And you just have to start giving short speeches and presentations in front of a small group of people and then you can move to the larger group of people. Reading 25 minutes a day. Now, okay, you have to start reading more complex books, articles, advanced things, and you must be enjoying it. So it should be according to your need, interest, or level. And then try to understand the word order, words, phrases, sentences, grammatical meanings, everything when you read it. Writing for about 20 minutes. Okay, you can write more longer essays, email, articles, paragraphs, your daily life scenarios with more complex words, phrases, sentences with advanced things of English. You have to do these things now. Now the bonus tips to make the most out of those 50 days. Be consistent, never give up, keep trying your hard, and do not worry about fear, making mistakes. Making mistakes are the part of the learning journey. You will do mistakes, but you have to keep going on. Record in your own voice. Try to match your voice with the native speaker's voice and keep doing that unless you feel that you have mastered it. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins to keep yourself motivated. Now for the motivation. Mastering English language in just 50 days may sound challenging and silly, but with great focus and dedication, this is achievable. You can achieve the fluency. Imagine the scenario where you can speak English confidently, people are clapping, okay? You can read, you can understand, you can do everything in English. So believe in yourself, you will definitely do it. Well done. Are you ready to follow this 50-day plan? Let me know in the comment box. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get more tips and resources to improve your English. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.